Hello, welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And if you'd like to check out the analysis of other currency pairs like Euro, USD, Pound, USD, then check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. And before we proceed, I have a small request. If you are completely new to trading, if you are a beginner, then please focus on learning first. If you do not have any idea about the functioning of the market, then please go to the Forex and stock learning course for beginners. This is a playlist on my YouTube channel. I have uploaded 32 videos. You will get the basic idea about the functioning of the market. Okay. So it is my request for you to watch these videos before you proceed. So let's jump to the chart now. So this is the 4 hours chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar. Yes, my favorite 4 hours time frame. And if we just look at the chart here, and then we can clearly see that this market is an uptrend. This market is an uptrend, and whenever we get a trending market, then things become very much easier, because it is very clear to us, or it is a very known fact, that trading in a trending market is always easier in comparison to trading in a sideways market. And this market is undoubtedly a trending market, because you can clearly see that this market is going up. So whenever we get a trending market, we should follow the trend. The thumb rule says that only. Therefore, this market is an uptrend. So considering the trend of the market, we should mainly look for buying opportunities. Is not it? So we have the trend of the market right now. Secondly, we need to find the area of value now. Area of value means the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. And as I have already discussed in my hundreds and hundreds of videos, that the area of value in an uptrend market is always near the support. And you can clearly see that this market is following a channel here. In your charting platform or in a trading platform also, you can draw these lines. You can easily draw these lines, and once you'll draw these lines, the picture will be crystal clear to you. So you can clearly see on the chart that market is following a channel here. This level is acting as a support, and this line is acting as a resistance for the market. So considering the thumb rule of the market, buy at support. So the first and the safest trading opportunity in this market is buy at support level. So right now you can see that market is trading at 1.2607. So wait for the market to come down to the support level. When you will find market near the support level, then just observe the price. Okay. Observe the price means just see how the price is doing or how the price is reacting. If you see that, just like previous times, market is showing price rejection from below, or price is taking support, or market is getting the required support at this trend line, then you'll get the confirmation that yes, Avilash was right. This trend line is acting as a support for the market, and you can easily go for a buy order here. And if I zoom in, on this chart, then you can see that right now market is facing some kind of selling pressure from above. I'll be discussing within a minute. Okay. So this, you just draw these lines in your platform and you can trade accordingly. Okay. And as this market is an uptrend, therefore you should not short the market. Yes, you may see price being rejected from below, or sorry, from above, or market may go down, or you may see a red candle. But considering the trend of the market, my dear friend, if you are a beginner, if you do not have any idea about scalping, then my dear friend, please do not short the market. Just follow the trend of the market and only buy at the support level. Do not short the market at, at any cost. And if I take you to the weekly chart here, and I remove the drawings, then you can see that market has formed a big green candle, and market has just closed at the resistance level. But that does not mean that you can short the market, because just try to understand the market psychology here. we can see a big green candle, which means that market was heavily under the dominance of buyers. Market was under the heavy influence of buyers. Therefore, my dear friend, do not take any risk. There is a good possibility that in the coming week market will break this resistance level on the weekly chart as well. Until and unless you see some heavy selling pressure on the chart, do not short the market, and only wait for the market to come down to the support level, the trend line, and then just go for the order. That's it. Okay, and most importantly, do not follow the herd. That means that do not follow the retail traders, or do not trade like the other traders, because see, this is a known fact to everyone that 90% retail traders lose money, and you can see that forex sentiment meter is also telling us the same story. In my website avilashhazarika.com, under the Forex 101 section, you will find the Forex sentiment meter. And if you want some Forex signal, you can just sign up for the Forex signal also here. Anyways, this is a Forex sentiment meter, and see, 64% retail traders have taken short position and only 35% retail traders have taken long position. And this is the chart. This is the chart. This is the uptrend market, and in this market only 35% traders are long, and this is the main reason why retail traders lose money, because see, they do not follow the trend of the market, because they think that market has reached the top. They assume that market has reached the top and they short the market. Maybe Monday market will form a red candle and retail traders will short the market, but they forget that this market is an uptrend. Market will go down so that it can go up again, and when market will be going up again they'll end up losing money. So do not trade like the other traders. Do proper analysis and trade wisely. Only buy at this level only, my dear friend. Only buy at this level only, and do not short the market considering all these factors. Hopefully you have understood. Lastly, I would like to show you the chart of US dollar. As we all know, the chart of US dollar is extremely important for the forex market, and whenever dollar goes up, currency pairs like US dollar, Canadian dollar, USD, CHF also goes up. On the other hand, when USD goes up, currency pairs like Euro USD, Pound USD see selling pressure. And this is the dollar chart, and you can clearly see that we have a resistance here in the dollar chart. But the most striking feature of this chart is that market is forming lower highs here. Whenever market is coming down, it is forming lower highs here, which means that buyers are there in the market, and they are very much serious in taking the price upward. As a result, whenever market is coming down, they are forming lower highs, and this pattern is called as ascending triangle pattern. And I would like to mention that ascending triangle pattern is a bullish triangle pattern, and whenever we get an ascending triangle pattern, market usually gives a breakout. Okay, and if you see a breakout scenario in US dollar chart in the coming week or Monday, then definitely you will see some heavy buying in the USD CAD chart as well. Therefore, the only thing that I want to say is that do not short the market in this uptrend. Okay, otherwise you will also end up losing money like this retail traders, because see, 64% traders have short the market and they are in loss right now. So this is it. Hopefully I've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.